Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Gorgeous 4-bedroom with 3.5 baths now available in the secure gated subdivision of Canyon Gate at Park Lakes. This beautiful home features new laminate wood floors, high ceilings and fabulous open floor plan. Imagine your lifestyle not only with a great home, but all the amazing amenities: tennis courts, basketball pavilion, an Olympic-size pool, splash pad, clubhouse, playground, park walking trails and lakes. Easy access to BW 859 Wilson Road, centrally located to great shopping, dining, golf, and entertainment which surround this beautiful neighborhood. Perfect for the outdoor enthusiast. Perfect for the outdoor enthusiast, as Lake Houston is less than 15 minutes away, or you can hike and bike the nature trails at Eisenhower Park. Call to schedule a tour today.